In the ever-evolving construction, cement and allied industry, having the right equipment and technology can make all the difference. At Machinoweb we understand the importance of staying up to date with the latest machinery to remain competitive and drive your business growth. We are pleased to offer a comprehensive selection of both new and used construction machinery from leading manufacturers in the industry. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or rent equipment, our platform has got you covered. Our online marketplace is a one-stop shop for all your construction machinery needs. With our vast selection of machinery, you can find the equipment you need to streamline your operations and increase efficiency. From mixers to cranes, excavators to concrete pumps, we have it all. Our inventory is regularly updated with the latest offerings from the top manufacturers, ensuring that you have access to the best equipment available. In addition to buying and selling machinery, we also offer a range of technical services to help you maximize the performance of your equipment. Our team of experts is here to assist with everything from routine maintenance to major repairs, ensuring that your machinery is always operating at its best. Take advantage of the opportunities that Machinoweb has to offer and upgrade your construction, cement, and allied business today. Sign up on our website and explore the extensive collection of machinery available to find the equipment that's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Machinoweb.